Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Of course, Monday morning, we're here at the Panattoni Cafe, as we are every morning, and they brought us some very nice, of course, Panattoni cakes, which are super good. And I see Winston's already eaten his. How was yours?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very good start to the day.
So we're always happy to kick off the week here at the Panattoni Cafe. A lot going on. We're also going to be broadcasting this week from London. There's and where, of course, you can meet our team there at the Retail Logistics Expo at Excel. We'll be there with the whole team. We'll be doing some videos and some interviews from location. A lot of great speakers there from Amazon, from MasterCard, a lot of retail, a lot of web-based retailers that want to come to our event in Prague in May 18th. So it'll be a lot of fun there this week. So Tuesday or Wednesday, let us know if you're going to be at this at the expo there. We'll be, of course, happy to. We're doing already some interviews, but we're happy to do some more. Also broadcasting the Coffee with Craig show from there for a couple of days. So a lot of fun there. Also, we're working on our SEE Real Estate Awards, which is coming up in Romania, April 6th at the Radisson Blue Hotel in Bucharest. And a lot of new investors. I see a lot of projects coming up from Romania, Bulgaria, even Moldova, some things there as well, yeah?
A lot of projects this year, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of projects, a lot of new investors as well that are flying in for the event. So interesting to, probably because there is more projects, but I'd say record number of nominations already in. A lot of exciting jury members, sponsors. We'll maybe do a little announcement later this week of all the people that are going to be there. If you haven't booked anything yet, please do, because the Radisson's a great hotel, but it is not a huge ballroom. It holds 250 people, and it's always sold out. So if you haven't booked your corporate table yet, please do so. We want to make sure that you get in. And what do we have coming up also? Not only the London events, but also MIPIM coming up pretty quick. Yeah, magazines at the printer, I guess, and they're printing it up. We've got a big stand there. We have a stand. I don't know about big, but we have a cocktail party and wine tasting on the second day, March 15th at 3:00, and our stand is P-1 H75. We're right on the corner. Come on by. I guess I'd say come on by at 3, right? Just to make sure we don't run out of wine or drinks or something like that.
Yeah, 3's a good start.
3's a good start. Come on by. We'd love to see you. Anyone doing any business or looking to expand in Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, definitely we'd love to see you. I know our team from also Serbia is inviting a lot of people from the Serbian market there as well, but of course Poland, Czech, Hungary, Romania. Guys from Moldova seem to be coming as well, so a lot of interesting contacts there. It's an hour. Feel free to pop by anytime. So after that, let's see, we got MIPIM, we got SCE Awards, and then of course our Retail Marketplace-CEE in Prague, May 18th, and then our Baltic Real Estate Awards, which is really taking off, and that's May 25th up in SOPOT, where if you don't know where SOPOT is northern Poland, right on the beach, and we're covering from there. And that's, of course, at the Radisson as well. Very nice hotel, brand new hotel up there. And covering Scandinavia, the Nordics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, of course, northern Germany, and Denmark, a lot from Denmark coming. So let us know on that front if you'd be interested in coming to that. And that's May 25th. So we'll take a little break now, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news for the day. So welcome back, Winston. Good to see you after the weekend.
All right, Craig, how was your weekend?
Weekend was very good. A lot of sleeping actually occurred. It looked too cold out. It looked too cold to go outside and to get off the couch.
Yeah, it still is cold. Yeah,
but happy to kick off the week here, and interested to hear what the news is for the day.
Yeah, and we're in Panattoni Cafe, and the first news of the day is from Panattoni actually, and they've received an outstanding, the first industry developer in Poland to receive a BREEAM outstanding certificate for one of their constructions in Panattoni Park, Szczecin.
Wow,
that's halls A and B. And according to Emilia Dębowska, she's the sustainability director at Panattoni, she says the outstanding level confirms that a very wide range of pro-environmental and pro-social solutions have been applied in such a facility, which is perfectly in line with our Go Earthwise with Panattoni policy. And the two certified halls that have been awarded are around 30,000 square meters. And to date, Panattoni has completed about 10 million square meters of certified environmental certificates, and they've got another 6.5 million square meters under certification process. So really serious about this.
Wow. Well, Amelia's been their ESG woman director there for quite a while now, and really just bringing them cutting edge all the projects, right?
Yeah, you need a whole team behind that. I think make sure that goes off correctly. So yeah, some good news to start the day there.
Excellent.
And staying in the logistics industry and in Poland, and Bydgoszcz Logistics Centre will lease 45,000 square meters to Kaufland. This logistics centre is owned by CBRE Investment Management, and they're very happy to continue this agreement with Kaufland. It's a big grocery retailer.
Yeah, expanding. Huge in Poland these days.
Yeah, huge around the region. Yeah, lots of. Recently, I think they opened their 1,500th store in Romania or something. So yeah, they're very busy, and they were represented by Cushman & Wakefield.
Okay.
And according to Cushman & Wakefield, they just comment the project is a BTS facility built to satisfy all requirements of its tenants. And moving on, and back to Warsaw and Villa Vauxhall. They've signed a lease at Sky Tower with the Carampol Group, and they're gonna take the top two floors of this tower block, which is they're going to use it for event space. They've got 830 square meters, so they've gone into this office building, and it's scheduled to open in September 2023. And Villa Vauxhall was represented by ShareSpace in this negotiation, and it's going to be located at the very top of the building on Jago roundabout, and it will host corporate events, conferences, industry meetings, as well as private events. So something for us to check out there in the autumn.
Villa Vauxhall is always great on Vauxhall Street, right? Yeah, it's always great event place. So I'm sure they'll another location for that.
So now they've gone into Skyliner, and they're going to have this an event place at the top of. I would imagine, have wonderful views over Warsaw there.
Maybe they'll invite us to something.
Yeah, I would imagine by autumn you might have a few invites on your desk.
Good. Let's hope so.
And finally for today, staying in the office sector, and Cube Office Park in Gdansk is currently going through a green transformation, and this is a lot of the kind of older office stock is going through this kind of greenery and sustainability advancement, and this is a park that's managed by TFG Asset Management, and Savills is the sole letting agent at this particular complex. And according to TFG Asset Management, with service charges continuing to rise, tenants are increasingly looking for buildings that would enable them to run a business in a sustainable, optimal, ESG compliant way.
Well, great. All right. So it's always good to see that the more important is the older buildings are being, I guess everything new is already up to code or up to ESG.
Yeah, I think the challenge is to get the older stock to, up to grade, up to the level that they need. And there's an awful lot of work to be done. But I think that's good news and a lot of opportunities for some people.
Yeah, that's sort of 99% of the stock. Yeah.
Value add.
Right, exactly. Well, thank you all. That's all we have for today. Yeah,
that's good. All right, Craig. I need to finish my cake.
Yeah, exactly. Some nice cakes. That's for sure. That's always good to come and have some yummy stuff here. So thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. And again, thank you to our sponsor, Panattoni, for sponsoring the Coffee with Craig show today. So we will see you tomorrow back in our Warsaw offices and our Warsaw studio, and also doing some interviews in London at the Retail Logistics Supply Chain Logistics Conference Expo. And enjoy the rest of the day. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.